Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So today I'm looking at a Grand Design Solitude, and it's actually a 90-day from when we replaced the roof. This was one that came in where the roof caught air underneath the sides, and it actually blew and tore open the roof. And so let me see what year this was again, because I don't remember offhand. I don't believe it's that old. It is a 21, 8 of 2021. And so actually what he's returned for is not only for us to do our 90-day inspection, but we're also going to be removing this more ride pin box, and we're going to be putting on a Gen Y hitch. And then as you can see, I got my two pooches over here. This is Hitch, and this one is RV. RV, what are you doing? That's right, if you haven't seen her, her name is RV, but it's A-R-V-I-E. And then that is Hitch, just like a trailer hitch or pickup hitch. Anyways, I'm out taking them out for a walk, and I just wanted to do a quick video on this guy here. So we're going to be doing our 90-day follow-up, touching up any of the seams, making sure that everything looks good from when we replaced the roof on it. And then we're going to be replacing that pin box and upgrading it to a Gen Y. All right, well, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.